Hello and welcome to Seasparkles Corner. Today I'm going to share with you a cooking recipe. I'm going to show you how to make poached eggs. Now first I have my toast in my toaster oven and I'm going to use butter spray. And I'm going to spray the bottom, turn the light on. Okay. Now I'm going to move. Alright, now I'm going to turn the burner on to 9 and I'm going to take a teacup full of water and put it on the bottom. Okay, and so I'm going to put that on high. Now I'm going to take a half a cup and put that on there. Okay, now this water is going to get hot. And I'm done with the water. Now, to use it, you want to, let's see what else we have. Okay, yeah, let's do this. When we get the egg out, we want to get a slotted spoon, what I call a slotted spoon. It's got holes in it like this, so that way it only gets the water out. And I've got jumbo eggs. And okay, my toast is done. Okay, so the toast gets done first. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're going to butter the toast. Let me get a butter knife. Okay, we're going to butter our toast. Quite hot. Alright, going to butter our toast. Okay, our toast is buttered. Now I'm going to put the butter back in the fridge. Okay. Very good. While this is getting hot, the eggs are just set aside. So I'm going to get a couple of strawberries. And I want to put them on my plate. Some nice little strawberries. So I can have them as a side dish. But pick whatever fruit you want, because if I'm getting gonna have the eggs, I'm not touching the counter with the strawberries. I was kind of cutting them in the air. All right. So now I'm going to put my strawberries back in the fridge. And I'm going to, oops, something rolled. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Steak sauce. Refrigerator is so full, stuff is falling out. Okay. There. Now I threw the strawberries out. So this is what my plate looks like so far. I put some strawberries on the side so I have a bit of fruit. And this is going to be for the poached eggs. Now, if you want to have a bit of meat with it, you can. But I think I'm just going to have, oh, I think yeah. pull the water out of the fridge. Refrigerator is so overloaded, every time I go in there, the steak sauce falls out. So I had to make more room. Okay, now, when you see the water boiling and it's hot, you see it steaming and it's hot, so you want to crack your egg and carefully, slowly put it in there. But you can always crack it in another dish and check it. So that's a jumbo egg. Carefully, there we go, sliding the eggs in there. Now they're cooking. And you watch them to get done. Now I'm going to put the jumbo eggs immediately back in the fridge. Okay. Gotta find a place to put my water. Okay. Okay, so we're just making poached eggs. Now I'm gonna lower it down to 8. And see, the eggs are cooking. The eggs are cooking. Then we're gonna put them on top of each. Now, I have the Velveeta slices. So I'm going to open up the Velveeta. So I've opened up the Velveeta. So I'm opening up the Velveeta. And so I'm going to cut the Velveeta in half. And I'm going to put the Velveeta in the middle of the first toast and then the second toast. Okay, see? I got strawberries on the side, the toast, which has both been buttered, cooked in the toaster oven, and the Velveeta cheese, which will melt from the hot eggs. So we've got it so far. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to put a couple of grapes on the side. And I put some grapes on the side for added color. A couple of grapes. Alright. Now, I'm just going to move the eggs. There we go. Just move the eggs out of the way. The eggs are still cooking. I'm going to have a grape. I washed the fruit ahead of time because basically I was preparing it. So this is what it looks like. In the pan, the eggs are still cooking. And when the eggs are done, I'm going to transfer it over. See, so we've got the slotted spoon. And, see, the slotted spoon drips the water out. Then we move it closely to our toast, like that. Now, you cook it longer if you want the eggs to be done more, or you cook it less if you want the eggs, you know, light, the yolks light, slightly medium or hard. So that's the way it is, see? So you cook it uncovered. That way it just goes, and you can see how much the whites are and the yolks are done. See, so we have this. We have that. And now I'm going to turn off the burner. Now my burner continues to be hot for a while, but the eggs are now done. I just broke the yolk. I'm having trouble. There we go. Dripping off the water and then transferring it to the toast. I want to get a little bit more of the white. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to remove this from the heat and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is it. This is how to make poached egg on toast. Now, I'm just going to break the yolk to butter it a bit. And I'm going to break, because that's the way I want to eat it, break the yolk to butter it a bit. And then I'm going to turn it over, kind of like a bit of a sandwich. And then I'm going to cut the toast, the sandwich in half. And now I'm going to put this knife in the sink. Okay, add a bit of water. Okay, so this is what it looks like. See how good that is? Now you can put ham or bacon inside of it, whatever you like. Now I'm going to taste test. Oh, delicious. Let me get a napkin, my friends. And that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's done. And how to make poached egg sandwich. So thanks for watching, and as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. Happy holidays to you.